Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best hot weather motorcycle jacket you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many hot weather motorcycle jacket and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each hot weather motorcycle jacket so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a hot weather motorcycle jacket. The first key thing is ventilation. Look for jackets made with breathable mesh panels or perforated leather that allow air to flow freely and keep you cool. Next, focus on protection. Even in hot weather, safety should never be compromised. So ensure the jacket has CE-rated armor on the shoulders, elbows, and back. Material choice also matters. Lightweight textiles or mesh fabrics are ideal for comfort without sacrificing durability. Another factor is fit and adjustability. Make sure the jacket fits snugly but allows easy movement. Finally, check for features like reflective strips, waterproof liners, and pockets for convenience and visibility. Choosing the right combination of airflow, safety, and comfort will make your summer rides enjoyable and safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.